Good morning, my dear kids. So, as we all know, we completed all the chapters in EVS portion, right? So, today we are going to revise the chapter 1 and chapter 2. So, this time the exam pattern is only the objective questions, which means only one bad questions, okay? So, it may be inside the textbook or at the back of the questions, right? So, I am going to revise the full textbook. Okay, my dear kids. So, all of you take page number 11. Just I will read. Okay, at that time I will notify the important one words. Okay. So the first is our body. So we all know that our body is like a machine. We have many parts. What are the main parts? Head, neck, chest, hands and legs. See here, our machine, our body works like a machine. So our body is divided into three main parts. What are they? Head, trunk and limbs. What are they? Head, trunk and limbs. So babies, they have very soft bones, okay? And here you see the ear bones are the smallest, while the thigh bones are the biggest bone. So which bone is the smallest bone? Yes, very good, ear bones. So which one is the biggest bone? Thigh bones. Okay, my dear kids. So in this page we completed. All of you turn the next page, page number 12. So you have to read the full lesson, then only you can answer. Okay, so first is head. So the head means it is the topmost part of our body. It rests on the neck. And so the head consists of hair and also eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Brain. Brain is found inside the head. Okay. Brain is found inside the head. The next is trunk. Chest and abdomen make up the trunk of the human body. Chest and abdomen make up the trunk of the human body. Neck, arms and legs extend from the trunk. See, limbs. Our arms and legs are known as limbs. Our arms and legs are known as limbs. And organs, which is divided into internal organ and external organ. So what are the internal organs? Brain, heart, lungs, stomach and kidneys. Okay. So brain. Human brain, we all know that it is very powerful. It stores the memory and it controls all the parts of the body and their function. Okay. Our brain only helps us to think, remember and learn. And heart. The heart is very important organ located in the chest. So it needs, each part of the body needs blood. So this function of the heart is, it will pump blood to all parts of the body. Okay. Now you take page number 14. Lungs. So you all know that lungs helps us to breathe. Stomach means it's located in the abdomen. So it helps us to break down the food we eat and then we digest it. Okay. Kidneys, they are in the abdomen. It will help us to clean the blood in our body and it will remove the waste from the body in the form of urine. Very good. So what are the external organs? Limbs, eyes, ears, nose, mouth. Okay, limbs, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, etc. They are all the external organs. Skeleton. So how many bones we have? We have 206 bones. How many bones do we have? Very good. We have 206 bones in our body. Okay. Muscles. So muscle means it will present under the skin and over the bone. They helps us to move our body parts and for working condition. Okay. So without this help of the muscle, we cannot able to move our body parts. Okay. So this eye muscle help us to close and open our eyes. So without the help of the muscle in the neck, we cannot turn our heads. Okay. And then the muscle in the arm and hand, they only help us to work when we work with our hands. Okay. So what is posture? Posture means the position in which you hold your body when you stand or sit or walk or lie down. Okay, my dear. and then a bad posture can hurt our muscles. Okay, so what are the good postures? We have to stand straight. We should avoid bending our shoulder. When we sit, we should keep our back straight. We should not slump. We should put our back against the backrest of the chair. Then feet must be placed flat on the ground. Then when we walk, we should walk straight. We should breathe fresh air, eat healthy food, and also exercise regularly to keep our body fit and healthy. Okay, my dear kids, these are all about the chapter 1, and then you have to learn, choose the correct answer, true or false, then match the following, and also question answers. From that question answer also I have asked one words. Okay, my dear kids, now we turn the next chapter. Sense organs and their functions. Take page number 28. So what are the sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Right? So our eyes, it's a sense of sight. It helps us to see beautiful world. Right? So we have 2 eyes and then our eyes have eyelids which can shut and open. Ears means sense of sound. With the help of ears only we can hear the beautiful noise which is creating in the world. Then nose means it can help us to smell. Right? With our nose only we can smell a beautiful perfume, beautiful flower, beautiful delicious dishes. Right? And then we can breathe with our nose. We have 1 nose but we have 2 nostrils. Okay. Then tongue. Tongue helps us to taste the food. Skin means it covers our entire body. It is the largest external organ. Which is the largest external organ? Skin. So it will help us to feel a thing that is hot or cold or rough. Okay. Then how we have to take care of our sense organs? See. Taking care of our eyes. We should not read in poor light. We should not touch our eyes with dirty hands. We should wash our eyes every day with water. We should not rub our eyes. We should not read lying down on the bed or in a moving vehicle. And then we should not sit too close and watch the television. Okay. And then how we have to take care of our ears? We should always use a soft cloth. We should not use any sharp object to clean our ears. And then we should avoid listening to a very loud noise. Okay. Then taking care of our nose. Do not put pencils or some sharp objects inside the nose. And then when we are blowing, we have to use handkerchief so that it will not spread to others. Okay. How we have to take care of your tongue? We have to clean our tongue regularly with a tongue cleaner. Taking care of our skin, we have to bath every day. And then we have to wear very clean clothes. Okay. These are the things. These are the things when we are following to take care of our body parts. Okay. So today we revised 2 chapters. So you go through the lesson. The full chapter you have to read. The back exercise you have to learn. Okay. So the remaining the portions we can see in the next class. Okay children. Bye-bye.